Time is invisible, but it's there. Today, we will learn how to ask for the time in Spanish and how to ask when something is going to happen. So you will learn to say, what time is it in Spanish? And you will learn to say, at what time is something? For example, at what time is Spanish class? At what time you go to bed? Those are the skills that you will develop with this one little lesson. The two most common expressions to ask for the time in Spanish are ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? Or you could also say ¿Qué horas son? ¿Qué horas son? It almost sounds like heart in Spanish, corazón. ¿Qué horas son? ¿Qué horas son? Those are the two questions. Here's the answer. If somebody says to you, ¿Qué hora es? Or ¿Qué horas son? And the time is between the 1 hour and 1:59, listen carefully, I'll repeat it, between 1 and 1:59, you must answer, es la una, es la una, that means it is 1, plus whatever minutes. So you add minutes to the hour by saying y, the y, right there, y, plus the number of minutes. So let's say it is 1:20, you would say, es la 1:20 minutos. Or make it simpler, es la 1:20. What about 1:10? Es la 1:10. What about 1:25? Es la 1:25. You get the picture. There is a secret also. If you want to say 15, you can say y 15 and 15. Or you can replace that for another word, which is cuarto. Cuarto means a quarter. So, es la 1:15. I'm saying it is 1:15, or you can say it is 1:15. What if it's 1:30? You can say, es la 1:30, adding the 30 minutes. Or you can also say half past 1, and it'll be, es la 1:30. Media means half. That is when, once again, it's from 1 to 1:59. What about after 1:59? That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. You don't say es la. You have to say son las. If you remember, that verb ser is used to tell the time. Es for the hour and son for they, the hours. Son las dos, son las tres, son las cuatro, son las cinco. You get the picture. Once again, add minutes by saying y plus the number of minutes. 12. Son las 4:12. What time did I say? It is 4:12. Okay? Once again, if it's 15, you can say 15, which is 15, or you can say y cuarto. And if it's 30, you can say y 30, or you can say y media. To say o'clock, you say en punto, and that means on the dot. En punto. But you don't really need to say that. And that's how you ask for the time, and that's how you respond when people ask you for the time. If you want to find out at what time something happens, you would say, ¿A qué hora es? Plus whatever event you are trying to find out or figure out. Let's say a concert. El concierto. At what time is the concert? ¿A qué hora es el concierto? ¿A qué hora es el concierto? It's very similar to asking for the time. ¿Qué hora es? All you have to do is add a at the beginning of the question. ¿A qué hora es el concierto? ¿A qué hora es el concierto? Es a las 8:10. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. ¿A qué hora es el concierto? Es a las 8 y 15, or you can say es a las 8:15. La clase de español. Let's find out. ¿A qué horas es la clase de español? La clase de español es a las 8:30, 30. Or remember that you can also say media, half. Es a las 8:30. All you have to do is practice, say time, make up examples, make up times, and you'll get to that. The explanation alone doesn't do the trick. You gotta practice, practice, practice. Let's find out the time in these 4 cities. ¿Qué hora es en Santiago? En Santiago son las 10 en punto. ¿Qué hora es en Atlanta? En Atlanta son las 9 en punto. ¿Qué hora es en Bogotá? En Bogotá son las 8 en punto. ¿Qué hora es en Madrid? En Madrid son las 2 en punto. Now, we're going to learn how to say in the morning, or the afternoon, or the evening. In fact, you should know those words already. But here we put them in time. ¿Qué hora es en Santiago? Son las 10 de la mañana. De la mañana. En Atlanta son las 9 de la mañana. En Bogotá son las 8 de la mañana. En Madrid son las 2 de la tarde. De la tarde.